Hi again. Today's episode is going to be about how we made the roads, how we repaired the roads, and how we embedded for instance, the trolley line, making it look like it's embedded in pavement. I'm going to show you it's a work in progress right now, and over there in a parking lot to make it look like the trolley line is embedded in the pavement of the parking lot. And I'm also going to show you how I did this, making it look like it's embedded. I would cut pieces of thin advertising card, that come with an ad that they send in the mail, or just some real thin card stock. Cut it to the shape, and then cover the bottom with construction adhesive. Rub it smooth, covering all the surfaces. And then we will put it in place. Okay, that's good. Watching out I don't get any on the tracks. And press it down into place. Makes it look like the trolley line is embedded in the pavement, and then put some caulk around the edge. This is construction adhesive. It's really good for this. Dries quickly too. Smooth it in. That makes it not show the edge. And that's about it for this. I'll show the railroad crossings too. What we did, you can show down here. Get a close-up of that. We have a piece of another thin piece of cardstock to go between the rails, and the same as we did over there, we brought card up to the edge of the rails, there and there, for the main line and the trolley line. So that's it for this episode. Next episode. Oh, and also don't forget to watch out for the attack of the giant cat at the end of the last episode. If you've seen 50s or 60s giant monster horror movies, it'll bring that back to mind. And next episode, we're going to be doing the buildings. I'll show how I made the buildings out of remnants or completely from scratch, and where I got the windows and doors from. So that'll be the next episode, and that's it for now. Thank you for watching.